Number 1.
1987 Dodge D150, price $9,500. It has approximately 103,500 miles on the odometer and features a manual 4-speed transmission paired with a strong-running Chrysler Dodge V8 engine, delivering reliable power and smooth shifting every time it's driven. The truck underwent a refreshing paint job a few years ago, giving the brown exterior a clean, sharp look. Inside, the brown interior has also been updated and remains in great condition, contributing to the truck's overall appeal. Impressively, there is absolutely no rust anywhere on the body or frame, making it a standout for its age. This Dodge is also equipped with 4-wheel drive, which the current owners have not used during their ownership, but it is confirmed to be fully functional. The truck starts up reliably every time and runs beautifully, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a vintage yet dependable 4x4 pickup that still turns heads.
Number 2.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. With 126,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a TBI 350 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. It features a red exterior and a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it boasts a Jasper remanufactured engine with numerous new components. Everything on the motor has been replaced or upgraded. Although the truck runs and drives, it's not entirely road-ready yet. It needs a new set of tires. However, a brand new set of white leather tires is included with the sale. The body is in very good shape with no major issues, but the paint is sun-faded and will require polishing and buffing by someone experienced in paint correction to bring back its original shine. While it still needs some TLC, this truck has strong potential and can be easily brought back to full roadworthiness.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, featuring the sought-after flare-side bed design. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it presents a clean and striking appearance that reflects the care it has received from its original owner. With just 140,000 original miles, this truck remains in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The Silverado starts right up and delivers reliable, confident performance on the road. The undercarriage and body are completely rust-free, a rare find for a vehicle of this vintage, and the tires are in excellent condition, ready for many more miles of dependable driving. The truck has a clean Carfax history and has clearly been well maintained throughout its life. It not only runs and drives strong but also retains its bold, rugged charm, a testament to the enduring appeal of 1990s Chevrolet trucks.
Number 4.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. The interior has been almost completely redone, offering a fresh and clean look that complements its classic appeal. A brand new sound system was installed less than 2 weeks ago, enhancing the driving experience. In May, new tires and wheels were fitted, and the truck has been lowered 3.5 inches in both the front and rear, giving it a more aggressive stance. Under the hood, the original engine was replaced just 10,000 miles ago with a reliable small block 350, equipped with performance bolt-on parts for improved power and responsiveness. The carburetor was recently rebuilt, and a full tune-up was performed in June using shorty spark plugs. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and everything is in proper working order.
Number 5.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000, finished in green both inside and out. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 350 small block V8 engine. The engine is equipped with a new Edelbrock carburetor and shorty headers, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission for smooth performance. A new radiator has also been installed to ensure proper cooling. The truck runs and drives down the road and has been lowered using an early classic Enterprises 4/6 drop kit, which includes spindles, springs, shocks, and a track bar relocator, giving it a more aggressive stance. While it still retains all its original side trim, some pieces have been screwed onto the bed. It's important to note that the body is extremely rusty and the rear brakes are currently non-functional. Despite these issues, this C10 could serve as a great project or patina cruiser with the right attention.
Number 6.
1984 Ford F150, price $4,000. It features a black exterior paired with a striking red interior, giving it a timeless and bold appearance. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission, offering a smooth and classic driving experience. Under the hood, it boasts a 4-barrel Edelbrock 1406 carburetor with 650 CFM, delivering strong throttle response and excellent performance. The cooling system has been completely upgraded with a brand new cold case aluminum radiator and new belts, ensuring optimal engine temperature and reliability. The only belt not replaced is for the air conditioning, which is currently non-functional. Mechanically, the engine runs strong and the truck drives perfectly. However, the one issue it currently faces is a leaking brake line, which will need attention.
Number 7.
1981 Ford F150, price $4,500. This truck is a short bed, 2WD model equipped with a 4.9L inline-6 engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck has approximately 122,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. Finished in a classic tan exterior, it is complemented by a clean interior with many new parts. Recent upgrades include brand new tires, a newly installed carburetor, and a full set of new brakes. The interior has also received significant attention, with numerous new components enhancing its overall condition. While the truck runs and drives, it does emit smoke, which may require mechanical attention. Despite this, it remains a solid example of a classic early 80s Ford pickup with vintage appeal and mechanical simplicity.
Number 8.
1968 Ford F100, price $4,000, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in blue with a black interior, this truck retains its original parts and maintains a strong mechanical performance. The carburetor was recently cleaned and rebuilt, allowing the engine to start reliably after a few cranks. Mechanically, the truck is solid, with a strong frame and smooth operation.
All gauges function properly, except for the battery gauge. Though the vehicle shows signs of age and could benefit from some bodywork, it remains a dependable driver.
The previous owner installed new floor pans, which have been professionally welded in, and reupholstered the bench seat for added comfort and style. Included with the truck are several additional parts: a dash cover, a driver's side headlight bucket, and chrome trim for the sides of the bed.
Number 9.
1985 Ford F250, price $2,950, powered by a 5.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 108,000 miles, though the actual mileage cannot be confirmed due to the vehicle's age, this classic pickup features a brown exterior and matching brown interior, and it runs on gasoline. Recently revived after sitting for several years, the truck now runs and drives thanks to several new components, including a new alternator, battery, fuel pump, ignition coil, spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap, rotor, and catalytic converter.
It has minimal rust and presents well for its age.
Originally sold in Colorado, it now comes with a clean Nebraska title. The truck is being sold as is, with no emissions requirements.
Number 10.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500, powered by a gasoline engine. It runs and drives but needs a few things sorted out. Brakes need to be adjusted and bled, the heater doesn't work, and the AC is currently non-functional. It doesn't leak coolant and doesn't overheat. New injectors were installed in the carburetor, but it's now running a bit rough and may need some fine-tuning. The windshield needs replacement, but aside from that, the truck is solid and has relatively low miles for its age. It features oversized front and rear bumpers, a Ramsey winch, CB radio, trailer brake setup, and nearly new tires.
The Ford WD system works well.
Comes with lots of new parts, service records, and receipts to show proper maintenance over the years.